Alright, so I got caught in the rip at Waimea. It's a 15 to 18 foot day. As you can tell, the rock is right there. See the rock? That is where you don't want it to be, because that means you're in the rip. So the only way to get out of it is you gotta go out and over. I'd say a good reference point to know when you've gone far enough would be that. You don't have to go like all the way to the fucking pinballs, but that brown house right there. Now, I have this board flotation device. I would recommend start waving your hand, because you are not, I don't know, you're probably gonna die. So now we're gonna start checking over. Super light paddles. Like everything I do is gonna be super light. Dude, I hella got stuck in that freaking rip. And I was was like trying to get out of it, and then I realized I'm fucked. It's basically, if you look, and every time you look, you're getting, like if you're trying to get away from the rock, and every time you look, you're closer to the rock, you ain't getting out of it. Your only chance when you're over there is doing this. And basically, I call it the big loop. And you basically gotta swim all the way fucking, you gotta swim out, go out, and then you swim all the way across to here where you see it breaking, and then that's where you go in. So we made it. I didn't realize we were already there. And then it starts pulling you that way. So yeah, you gotta be careful. I wasn't paying attention and I just realized I'm way close. Yeah, so it started pulling me over there. I got way too close. I was talking and I got way too close. But see, like now it's pulling me in. See what's going on? There's like a channel right here that actually pulls you in. So this is like the best place you could be, honestly. Right here. Take a wild note. Because this is how you get out of the Waimea Rip. It's a freaking 15 to 18 foot deck. Mind you, I come a lot, so I don't recommend anybody doing this. What up?